Consider called zombie bot.
Si Putita, di na kasi siya. Ano kan?
Eh.
Pwede lang ako na siya. Mana to siya, mana na-download.
Look at this. Do you see
Hello?
this? Wow. That is a zombie robot. Oh.
You can download that.
You can download zombie bot in your tablet. Do you have a tablet? This next picture. This next picture. Do you see this? Yes. That's everything. Do you see this scary? Yes or no?
Download na lang mo. Hindi ka
Call
record na.
Benita Miao Jones D. Fernandez.
Ano?
By this video. Next picture.
Barbaric kita na.
Look! Line ako niya. Eat me. Eat me. Next picture. Next picture. Movie.
After na nakarin.
Oh, tay movie na tiyo. Kung magpakita, this is movie. Do you found the game is this? Next game, I will prove. You know it. Dito pakita sa inyo. If you see this game, this one is this right. Wait. Oh, wait. No wait. You can see that name. This means you can play that game. Continue. Can see that game. I can play that. I'm not gonna play this because I'm scared. Me too, guys. Wait, I can play. Well, you can play, guys. You can play that. It's moving. I'm gone. Next game. There are zombies. Next game. Gun zombie.
Yeah.
This is the awesome game in the world, but it's no selection. Sabi. No.
M16A4.
Oh wait. Go! Go, go, go! Headshot. game? Announce mo, ano? Try again. I revenge you. Wait, I can play. Oh. Ay, wag ko manin. Ay, ako. Next game. Wala ko rin bibigyo. What's ito? Deep Demon Under Tibet. No, Kapwa 2. Wake up, wait. I wanna see. Do you see that? Wait. Do you see this game that's in Bubsy? Come. Let's start. He is crying. Touch me. I'm not. Yippee! Oh, I failed. What? Oh, wait. Oh, battery load. Please stop.